Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can know that if some token is going to listing on the Binance, or you can check which tokens are coming on the Binance application, so you can enjoy free tokens, or you can earn a big profit if you know before that which token is to be listed on the Binance application. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Binance application and you have to log into your account. Once you will log into your account, you will see page like this. So here you will see launchpad option. So launchpad is basically a tab where Binance announce upcoming tokens on the Binance. So right now FC Porto fan token will be soon listed on the Binance, so you can also avail this token in free by holding some BNB in your spot wallet. So if you want to know how you can grab this token for free, let me know in the comment. I will create a complete video on it. So here you will see all the token that listed before. So Binance will announce here, so you can use this tab to know which token is to be listed on the Binance. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.